Assalamualaikum. This is Muhammad, and you can see this is AOI plus iplocation.net, and here you can see this is my public IP address. And today I'm gonna show you how can you change your public IP address, and when you will change your public IP address, then your location will be changed, and obviously I will do it without downloading any applications. And I press this base now, and you can see this is my public IP address, and my location is India. Okay, and now I'm going to a website named proxynova.com and click on here proxy server list. And wait, it's waiting. Okay, here you can see there are many proxies list. You can see there are many proxy port and proxy port, and you have to just choose one of the port. There are two ports. These two ports only support Android mobile, and other ports does not. So you have to choose one of the port. Okay, so I am going to choose 880, and this comes from Canada. Okay, now I'm copying this IP address, and I know the proxy port. Go to access point names and edit it and click on the proxy. Okay, now paste it and select the port and type the port 8080. Now save it. Okay, now go to the browser, and now I'm reaching this page. Now you will see. Okay, as you can see, I pasted the IP address, and the IP address is this, and you can see. And now you can see the IP address. This is my public IP address, the address, and that I set the both same. And now you can see my location changed to Canada. Okay guys, I hope you understand this video better, and you will got the access point name. Go to setting, sim card, mobile network, and here and here. Okay, you have any question, then comment and like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.